Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald, here at the Key Digital stand, part of the HDBaseT Alliance booth with my friends Dewayne and Jonathon. Good to see you both again. Thank you for joining us for these thought leader conversations at ISE 2024.
Absolutely. It's good to see you again, Dan. Jonathon?
Happy to be here.
Absolutely.
So why don't you give me a big picture overview of what Key Digital is most excited about, your latest innovations you're showcasing here at the booth?
Absolutely. So we're very excited about, you can see quite a few things here in our booth. We're within the HDBaseT booth, as well as you know. But a couple of new products. They're new, in one case, new version of an older product, but it's the new generation, which is our KD-WP8. It's our little 8-button IP controller, and I've got virtual control here too, which is really nice because I can change what goes on the screens. As I'm controlling our presentation switcher with it, also controlling our cameras with it, controlling all kinds of, including switching. And this year, and we'll show this at the end, we have the ability to throw our stuff up and control it onto the LED wall here at the HDBaseT booth, which is very exciting. So as you can see, the keypad on the wall, you've got our two different screens. So I'm going to actually control, Jonathon, I'll let you do that from where you're at. Let's switch our source here on the left.
Okay, so currently we're on the keypad. We want to switch it over to...
We just have this little video running here. In a second here, you'll come up here just to our conference call right there on the left. And over here, we're running actually another device here with our wireless BYOD 4K presentation, wireless presentation gateway. And we're wirelessly casting from a video playing off my phone onto the right screen, and then we can then throw either one of those up to the video wall. So it's very exciting how we can connect all kinds of things. And the nice thing here is our KD-WP8-2 now is QSIS certified. So we're actually right across the aisle from our good friends at QSIS, and so there is a plug-in for the WP8-3. And to quote Emily Eichert with QSIS, the possibilities are endless with a device like this. That's what she said about the WP8-2. So I'll let Jonathon take over here in a minute and get a little bit under the hood of how it all works. But as Jonathon, you saw him doing it there, then I can sit here and do it on my iPad, and you see it follows itself here on the keypad. So we're really excited. We'd love to show this to everybody here in Europe and at ISE. And so that's some of the highlights, with many more things in the booth, but that's a couple of the highlights we like to show off.
That is very cool, and congratulations on that QSIS certification.
Oh,
very
absolutely.
well done.
We're glad to be a technology partner of QSIS now in that technology partner program.
So Jonathon, I think Dewayne's given us a really good kind of foundational understanding. You want to go a little bit even deeper under the hood, though?
I'd love to. That's where I thrive, really, Dan. So part of our UC&C system, which we call conference room in a box. Why is it called conference room in a box? Well, it does everything for you so easily. We begin with our presentation switcher. It has HDBaseT technology so that we can have these wall plates. And you only have to connect a single Cat6 cable. This is the beauty of HDBaseT after all. However, sometimes you see these plates from some competitors maybe have some power cables and everything hanging out. We really try to put on the plate visible only what the end user needs to see, you know? Just with the Cat6 in the wall, does everything it needs, including delivering the power. So here we are, connected. The presenter comes into the room, they plug in their HDMI, their USB-C, or their display port. That's gonna go up onto the screen here. Now you're doing a localized presentation. To deliver that kind of hybrid functionality, you can take your USB connection now. Adding that connection to the system allows the camera and the audio conferencing system with USB to be consolidated through our system onto a single USB connection. Now, this is the hardware, this is the signal transport. We're leveraging HDBaseT to do that. What takes it to the next level of user friendliness is the control options. So we can do things like have CEC control on the keypad itself, sending a USB or a CEC control over HDMI. We can turn that back off. That's it. Okay? Or, you know, it's something we find often in conference rooms, lecture halls, places where the user is smarter. Typically, they are requesting, demanding even, a smarter keypad. And it's kind of an interesting trend because I think so much went forward with touchscreens and this and that, that there's still those people, those clients that really just want something simple. And so with our IP control keypad, we have this program with, you could have up to 20 commands per button. You can control any amount of devices over your network that you want. Plus, it has an IR and an RS-232 port. And just to tie it all together here, because we're doing fun things, right? We have one demo into the next demo, into the next demo. This is a small space, but we have more demos per square meter than anyone else on the ISE floor. I guarantee it. So we're going to tie it all together with a really cool demonstration of using our control keypad that is not only going to these monitors here that we've been watching throughout the interview, but we're actually controlling this huge LED wall, seamless switching now. And there we are. See, everybody. Hello from ISE. Thank you very much, Dan, for having us.
Thank you so much once again, Jonathan, Dewayne, for joining us. Really appreciate it. Always wonderful to connect with Key Digital, all the HDBaseT Alliance members. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald, here at ISE 2024, chatting with HDBaseT Alliance members about the most exciting technology developments in the world today.